Do you want to go outside? Is that a yes? Is that a yes? Do you want to go outside? Is that a yes? Polito, I need a firm answer. Give me paw. Give me paw. Don't be bad. Give me paw. Give me... I'm going to give you some steak tips. Give me paw. Or if not, we're not going outside. Give me paw. Well, apparently, Apollo does not want to comply right now. Give me paw. We'll go outside. All right, fine. Let's go. Let's go. We're going outside. Let's go. We're going outside. We got Polito outside. Hey, what's going on, Charlie? Polito's outside. He's outside. That's what he wanted. There you go. I got the extension cord out, guys. We're about to do some work. So today's project, I'm gonna try to drill a grounding rod into the ground. I'm trying to see if I can do this successfully. Last time I tried doing this, it was in the winter, and the ground was frozen. Bad idea, guys. But yeah, another day, another helium dollar. Stay tuned. We're gonna stabilize the grounding system. This is the current ground right now. Yeah. Reactive. Safety first, guys. Safety first. How do I look? We ready to put in that helium work, baby. You know, others sit back on the sidelines and let the machines try to do the work. I try to keep making mine improving. That's the difference between y'all and me. So right now, I'm getting ready to sharpen this tip so it'll be easier for me to stake it into the ground. This is an 8-foot grounding rod for a house, and I am gonna connect it to the lightning arrestor that's inside the house via grounding wire. So yeah, so we got the grinders out, we're ready to do this work. Like and subscribe, stay tuned, Razi Grow. Happy healing mining, everybody. You guys are taking advantage of this good weather. This out, guys. Making progress. Making progress. Apollo, what are you doing? Oh, there you are. Stop acting up. Making more progress. What you guys think? Almost looks like a bullet. It's getting there. I don't know if I should leave it like that or should make it into a fine tip. But I'm just trying to drive this rod into the ground as easy as possible, you know? But I'm gonna grind some more. Hey, Apollo, what are you doing? Get over here. You never listen, man. Freaking dog. Guys, so I went out to Harbor Freight and I grabbed this huge drill bit, so hopefully it can guide the hole a little bit easier down, so then when I drive down the grounding rod, everything will be a lot easier. Let's give this a shot. Check it out. How does it look, guys? Crazy, right? Huge. I don't think I got enough drill power, man. So the original hole, I think I hit like bedrock. It was kind of hard. The drill bit wouldn't go all the way. But I drilled one over here and it went all the way down, so I'm gonna go with this one. Wish me luck, guys. We're gonna throw some water to see if it helps with the banging and stuff and whatnot. Move it. Get your butt out of there. Sharp. See. Watch out, this is dangerous. Move. I think I might need a heavier hammer than this. Hold on. Whoever said that drilling whatever the fuck this shit is easy, it's not. The grounding rod, this is not easy. I need like a fucking, I don't know, bigger hammer. I need a sludge hammer or something. It's crazy. Guess one hit at a time, right? Working. I might need more water. Hold on, guys. Found me the water, guys. Hey, look at this cool trick. It goes all the way down. Well, it's supposed to. All the way there. See it? Right, isn't that cool? Let's get this shit on. Maybe if I put on the gloves, it might be easier on my hands, so it's not fun. I know they got a special jackhammer for this, but I ain't got no jackhammer right now. Alright, making progress. Or not. Getting tired. Damn. If you think helium mining is easy, the real setups, you gotta put in work. So about, out of the whole 8 feet, I got about 4 of it in there. So we're halfway in there, but I am tired as hell from doing all this. You can see I'm sweating. Working really hard to get these passive coins, you know. Let's get it. I'm gonna try to drive it down a little bit some more before I go, and it's a to be continued project until I get a heavier hammer. But yeah, let's make this happen. Huh? No, he's inside. I'm trying to drive this grounding rod into the ground. That copper, yeah.
What?
Huh?
What?
Stabilize the electricity.
Oh shit.
Yeah, so then I'm gonna run a wire underneath the fence. I mean, underneath the porch to attach it to the flagpole. And then I gotta attach the attachment from the flagpole to that beam wire.
Fucking Tesla.
Yeah. You don't got a bigger hammer? You don't got a bigger hammer? This is only a 3 pound. I need like a sludge hammer. This shit takes forever.
I got regular fucking.
Making progress. We are here now. We were here before. Safety first though. Put on these gloves. Different angle, maybe. Woo! Maybe with the left hand. All right. I will get you in there. Can't say I didn't earn it today. I'm sweating. Look at this. Oof. All right, so that's the progress. It's about 4 feet in the ground. I got about another 4 feet to go. Seems like it's gonna be a mission, but we're not giving up. I'm thinking maybe putting a socket over here so it'll have a wider surface to hit. Might give it more driving force down. It's an idea. Or I might just add some more water, maybe hot water. Might make it maybe go down, break up the soil or the rocks, I don't know. But yeah, that's what we're going on for right now. Rozzy Grow, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for part 2, guys. See you on the inside. Happy mining. HNT, baby. Peace.